There are three solutions to every problem. Accept it, change it, or leave it. If you can't accept it, change it. If you can't change it, leave it. Life is too short to be spent in frustration over things that can't be altered. Acceptance brings peace, change brings growth, and leaving brings freedom. Each choice is powerful in its own way, guiding you toward a path of clarity and resolution. The key is knowing which solution fits the situation and having the courage to act accordingly.
Maitim na kilikili may solusyon na. Iwas putok pa. White underarms reveal. 500,000 sold so far and counting. FDA approved pa. Basahin ang comments kung effective ba. Bili ka na now na. Upgrade yourself.
Sa tingin nyo, bakit kaya ang daming sold to? Malamang ang ganda gamitin neto.
Or buy now. Easy.
Dahil sino ba namang hindi mapapabili kung mababasa mo yung mga reviews na ang gaganda? Grabe, talagang binabalik-balikan nila yung pag-order neto. At isa na ako doon. Promise mga mi, ang ganda-ganda niya gamitin. At worth it yung price niya sa product. Talagang mapapa-check out ka ulit kapag
What you see is what you get nga talaga, seller. Sino ba naman ang hindi mapapacheck out yung ganito kaganda ang product na dadating? Kaya pala napakaraming sold at napakaganda ng mga reviews. Kaya naman pati ako nabudol na rin. Ang ganda naman kasi talaga ng quality at ang mura pa. Pero in fairness naman kasi worth it naman talaga ang budol. Kaya di ako papayag kung hindi ka rin magpapabudol nito. I-click mo na ang yellow basket. Deserve na deserve mo to. Ito yung tinatawag na worth the budol. What you see is what you get talaga. Mukha siyang mamahalin pero mura mo lang dito makukuha sa TikTok. Sobrang ganda at sobrang aesthetic pa nga. Kaya naman pala lagi ito sa FYP ko. Kaya nga hindi ako papayag kung hindi ka rin upapabudol dito. Kailangan na kailangan mo to, no? Kaya nga habang may stocks pa at mura pa yung presyo niya, ay nako, i-click mo na yung yellow basket para sa'yo talaga to.